Alright, y'all, welcome to my channel once more. Let's go for another session. So 85.88. So let's so the next 2.5% is 86.74. So let's see if we can finish this session at 90 bucks. Okay, so we just four bucks and 12 cents to get there. So let's have a quick look. So I'm not gonna pause it. So I'm just gonna go straight through it with y'all and show you well, tell you what I'm seeing as we go along, so you can have a better understanding about this strategy. I bet by now you understand how it works, but I'm going to explain to you anyway, just in case it's the first time you're watching this video or my videos. Essentially, we're looking for a pullback, and then a possible continuation to the upside. That's what we're looking. Right, nothing there for now. So let's have a look around BNB. Okay, BNB, some downtrend. Now it's on the uptrend, it's doing higher highs. So, okay, so let's see BNB. It might be, let's see, BNB. Okay, right, so this chart looks a bit messy, realistically. And we've got a lot of consolidation. So this area right here, we can say that's a consolidation area. You can see that in the past, it reacted a lot of times. So it can be a tricky play. So I'm gonna just leave it alone. Not very confident about the chart, even though it sort of meets the criteria. It's best not to risk it. So yeah, nothing here as well. So let's go to stocks. Oh, what happened here? It seems like BNB got shut down or something. Microsoft. Right now, there is not much going on. I already went through all the pairs that are paying the highest, and there's not much going on. Let's check commodities. Usually it's very hard to catch these ones. Let's check cryptos again. Not cryptos, currencies. Sometimes when you're flicking, you don't find anything. But then, as soon as you start watching a trade and then you go back, you start seeing that, oh, I missed the opportunity, that kind of thing. So this one, if this high right here was higher than this one, I would have waited for this one. But because this high failed to break this previous high, so potentially that's going to be a shift on the trend. That's why I'm not going to go. So for example, this high right here is higher than this one. So we had a continuation. But because this one failed to break this previous high, that for me, just telling me that the trends might be shifting. So we got American Express. So this one, we don't have a clear trend here because the 50 SMA is almost flat. So nothing there. Okay. So over here we got good example. So we come over here to the 50 SMA, touched, and usually, like I said, is the second, third candle. Got a second candle there, and over here got a second candle there. So let's have a look. Okay, American Express seems like it's forming. We might try that one. Got a double bottom there. In the meantime, I'm gonna have a look around and see what's up. American Express already going up, but and didn't even reach the 50 SMA. So let's have a look over here. Okay, nothing there. Currencies. Damn, it's been 6 minutes. So you just gotta be patient. Don't force your trade. Nothing, guys. American Express is going. Boring. So this one, it doesn't have a clear direction. We got double top here. So you can see that it came over here to this area, got rejected, tested again, rejected, tested again, rejected. So we might see a change in direction of the trend on this one. But, you know, it might go sideways for a bit. So we got to wait and see. Let's have a look. Twitter. Okay. Twitter might be a good one. Let's see how Twitter goes. Yes. Let's see if it comes to the 50 SMA or close to it. It doesn't look like it, but it's an area where it's consolidating a lot over here. So it might not continue to go to the upside, but we're gonna keep an eye on it. Okay, Alibaba. It's in this area right here where it's consolidating a lot. I haven't seen a really good pair to go in yet. Nothing, 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 nothing. Okay, this one would be this one. It would be a good one, a good catch, but it's too late. So we got one top. So he's doing lower highs right there, as you can see. And this is the second candle. So let's see if we can catch it. The first one is the third candle. So if the trend is true, you can see that it's doing lower highs. And if you have a continuation to the downside, we're going to place sell positions. So let's see how it's going to react. You can see lots of consolidation here, but sellers are pushing. So we might see continuation to the downside. Is reacting to this previous support zone. And that's it. I feel like I missed it already. Yeah, still in a zone where it's very indecisive. As you can see right here, he's doing crazy stuff. You can get easily burned. We missed this candle. So second candle was the candle to go with. Let's have a quick look. No, I don't like it. Because this top high right here broke the previous high, well, very close. So that potentially is going to be changing direction. That's why I'm not going with it. 10 minutes, nothing is yet. Okay, this one might be GBP USD. This might be it. So this is going to be the first candle and it's reacting to the previous resistance level right there. Boom, boom. So momentum is slowing down, so we might catch this one. Let's see if he's going to touch the 50 SMA. Okay, it's slowing down. Candles are getting weak, as you can see. So we're just waiting to see if he's going to pick the 50 SMA and then continue to the upside. Even though the trend is not clear, it's not up or down. We're going to try to catch the second candle. Let's see how it looks like. Momentum is not there yet. Momentum is not there yet, but feels like it's going to crank up. Slowly it's creeping up. Red candle here is not good for us. All right, we've got to wait and see what happens. Yeah, this candle right here is supposed to be green, but as you can see, the momentum was very slow, very weak. So that didn't give me confidence to go in on that candle. So this one is green. So let's see how this one's going to close. But yeah, from where I can see, it seems like it's going to consolidate a little bit before either crank to the upside or downside. Like I said, the trend is not strong. Is neither going up or down, so it's sort of flat right now. So that's why it's very decisive. Let's have a look around and see. Seems like it's not going to go up at all. USD card. Let's see. Oh, I think we're gonna miss this one. It always a little bit too late for the party. So this is on a strong uptrend, as you can see. This is the second candle, the candle we're supposed to ride on. Let's see if we can catch another candle. Oh, it's pushing back too much, which is not good for us. We got an area over here of consolidation. So you can say this area right here is an area of interest where the price consolidates a little bit. Still in that side, inside that zone. We're expecting a continuation to the upside. Feels like it's gonna crank up anytime. Or maybe not. We'll see. So far it's looking good. So we might take the next candle. Let's see. Ooh, it's pushing back too much. It was looking good, but then it pushed back last minute. Yeah, it was looking good. I thought the momentum would continue up, but yeah, it's going against our trend, so we're gonna leave it alone. Yeah, for a moment I thought it would go up, but nah, it went down. That's why it's very important to pay attention to the candles and actually wait for the right moments or when you feel like, okay, it's gonna crank down. So you go. Okay, this one is a good example that I'm not gonna go with it because we can see it's doing higher highs in the previous one and it's doing higher lows as well. So that for me, that's a sign that the trend is no longer strong, going down. So potentially we're gonna see sideways movement. All right, let's see what else we got going on. So far, I haven't seen a really good one, good opportunity. 17 minutes. Yeah, this one is dumping really bad. Very unexpected. I wasn't expecting that. USD card. Oh, this is the one that we're looking at. Okay, let's try quick tools. So this one potentially will come to the 50 SMA to get tested, and if the trend is changing, then it's going to get rejected and continue to the downside. So we're going to keep an eye on it. Apple is going already. Not a clear trend here. Okay, it's testing the 50 SMA, and like I said, it might get rejected. Where is it? Right here. It might get rejected, or maybe just a continuation to the upside because we've got two bullish candles here. So right there, he picked the 50 SMA. Mm-mm-mm. Still very indecisive, but feels like it's gonna push down. 76%. I was about to go with it on the next candle potentially, but it just changed it to 76%. So this is not good for me. You check stocks. Yeah, not much is happening. Intel. We don't have a clear trend here. That's why I'm not going to go with this one. And yeah, this one right here seems like it's going to have a continuation to the downside. Like I said, it would come to the 50 SMA, test it, potentially get rejected. And it is getting rejected. But the payout is 76. So it's not good for me. This one's still going down, following the zone there. Which one will be which one? Let's see. So in the first candle here, I thought it would be red. Let's wait for the next one and see. Because we're on a downtrend, so we're gonna go with the trend selling. But it's pulling up too much. Very weak candles. It's in 2 minds. Oh, it's pushing down too much. Okay, we got in. Okay, we got that one. It's pulling up too much. Yeah, it's pulling up too much. Right, so at least we got one, so we're good. Uh, let's see. Yeah, I wasn't too sure about this one because the candles, they are small. But that was, we got it in the end. Okay. This one, USD, INR, IN. We're on a second candle. So let's see how this one is going to close. So this is an area of resistance right here. So expecting to get rejected. From the past, we could see that many times consolidated around this area. So we are expecting a dump here. Let's have a look. Maybe we missed it. Let's see if it pulls up a little bit. We missed it. We missed it. Let's see what next candle does. Mm, Yeah, we missed this candle. But yeah, sellers are still in control. So next one might be an opportunity. Let's have a look. We are in. Mm, okay, it's looking good. Cool, we got it. I was about to place a second trade, but because it didn't pump as much, I was like, let me hold on a few more seconds and see. So we got the second one too, second trade. So 2 trades, 2 wins. That's cool. Right. Let's have a look around. Let's go back here. So we just well, 230 away, 228 away to get to where we want to be. See, still consolidating. All right, let's check here. Okay, Bitcoin might come to the 50 SMA, gets rejected. So let's keep an eye on Bitcoin. We might place a trade there. So it's coming to the 50 SMA, even though the trend is not really clear, it's getting flat. And I'm hoping that the uptrend will stop. Came over here to the 50 SMA, dumped, come over here to test it. And I'm hoping that from here, the next candle will be red, or even this one red. So you can place a sell position here. It's looking good. It's looking good. Momentum is shifting. We are in. We are in. It's into mines there. Ooh. We are in on the third trade. It's not going down. Ooh, okay, we got it in the end. That was a very close one, I believe. Very indecisive there. We got it by six. Well, we got it by 6 points. I thought it was a close call, but you got it by 6 points. This one was bad. But yeah, we got it by 6 points. It was not a close call. Last second, it dropped. And as you can see, this was a second candle. So the thing is, we just placed the trade a little bit earlier than normal because I was expecting from here with this Dogecoin a dump like this candle. But it was a bit in 2 months there and then it dropped. So I would like to catch the idea was to place the trade before the drop. As you can see, it dropped. So we reached 92, 90.25. So I'm grateful for that. So that means we made another 5%, I shall say, a little bit more than 5%. So we can turn this one green. And that's it. So 28 minutes, we made 5%. And what I'm going to do, um, I will try to take this balance to hundreds. And then once I get there, where is it? Once I get there, I will then um, use this spreadsheet. Yeah, I'll use this spreadsheet in order to make double my money in 30 sessions. That's what I will be doing on the next session. Well, once I reach the balance of 100. So I will start with 333 per session, and then as we go along. So let's say if I make $10 on that first session, so then my target per session will reduce. Okay, so if I make, let's say 25 here, then you can see that the target per session will decrease. So that means I can risk less. So let's say I am risking, I don't know, 1.50, then I can just reduce it to I don't know, one or something like that, just to decrease my risk. So that's my idea. So let's see how it goes. So for now, I'm happy with the progress that we made. We made our book, so we're gonna get the hell out of here. So stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.